Hello everyone, this is lesson number 25, HSK 3, chapter 9, and let's continue. The first word for today is 衣服, 衣服. I think we already saw it quite a few times. 衣服, clothes. Let's see. I bought new clothes. 我买了新衣服。我买了 I bought 买了新 new 衣服 clothes. So it's pretty simple. 我买了新衣服 I bought a new clothes. Next one. The color of the clothes is very beautiful. 衣服的颜色很漂亮衣服 the clothes. But as you can see in English, the color of the clothes. But in Chinese, we say clothes colors. So 颜色 it's color of what? The 衣服 of clothes. So 衣服的颜色 the color of clothes. And is very 漂亮 it's beautiful 漂亮衣服的颜色很漂亮 Next one. As you can see, we see yes in a second. He brings clothes to me. 他拿衣服给我。他拿 he 拿 brings something bring 衣服 clothes 给我 and gave it to me. Or you can say for me. He brings clothes to me or for me. 他拿衣服给我。他拿衣服给我。He brings clothes to me. Next word for today. 颜色 But if we say, for example, red color or orange color or something, we need to say 红色. Only we need to use only 色. 红色黄色蓝色绿色 As you can see, here is 绿 green. If we can say 绿的 green, but if we say green color, we need to say 绿色 we don't need to say 绿颜色 The color of the skirt is green. 裙子的颜色是绿的。裙子 skirt 的颜色 The color of skirt, so 裙子的颜色是 is 绿的 green, so 是绿的 is green. Because we can say 是绿的颜色 we can say, but just that it's okay. 裙子的颜色是绿的 or we can say 是绿色 but we cannot say 是绿 only 绿不对裙子的颜色是绿的 I like the color of the clothes. 我喜欢衣服的颜色。我喜欢 I like 衣服 clothes 颜色 color 衣服的颜色 color of clothes or clothes color 我喜欢衣服的颜色 Next one. The color of the house is very special. 房子的颜色很特别。房子 apartment or house 房子的颜色 the color of house or the house, right? 房子的颜色 and is very 特别 very special 特别 As you can see, this one Next one is Fanzi. I think you already noticed if Pinyin bolded, as you can see, the is not bolded, but Fanzi is bold. Font bold font. It's mean that this word in this lesson. So, and you don't need to be scared of new words because we still. I think I should do new words here after sentence, but it my mistake, and it's very hard to to remove. So from HSK4, we will see the old hard words even from this lesson after the sentence. But for now, just be patient. 房子的颜色很特别。The color of house 很特别，特别 very special，特别 very not 普通的 not usual。房子的颜色很特别。Next word it's 房子 house apartment. My house is very quiet. 我的房子很安静。我的房子 my house and is very 安静 quiet 安静。我的房子很安静 very quiet. The house is in the middle of the park. 房子在公园中间。房子 apartment 在 is at in the where. 公园中间。公园 is a park. I think the bold font it's represented this word from HSK3 and higher as I can expect. 房子 because 公园 we already saw in the last lesson, in the last chapter. 房子在公园中间。中间 中 it's center, 间 between, so in the middle of something. 中间。房子在公园中间。The house in the middle of the park. As you can see, apartment 在 park between. So be careful. In Chinese a bit different. 房子在公园中间。Next word, next example. I'm very satisfied with the new house. 我对新房子很满意。我对新房子 I'm 对对 here's for something, but it is with something. 我对新房子 I with new house or for new house apartment 新房子很 very 满意 very pleased very satisfied. 我对新房子很满意 very pleased. Next word 天气 I think we already know it. It's weather. The weather is very good today. 今天天气很好很好。今天天气很好。Be careful. Here's 今天这个字 Here's 气天气这个特天气天气很好。今天天气很好。The weather affects affects my health. 天气影响我的健康。We could say this 影响 to affect something, to impact something. To impact, impact, affect, influence. Influence is good. Affect. 天气影响我的健康。The weather affects 影响我的健康 my health 我的健康 my health 天气影响我的健康 The weather affects my health. This one is okay. I think we will still meet this 影响 in the future. And last one with this one. The weather changes a lot. 天气变化很大。天气 the weather 变化 the changes or it could be verb, it could be noun, it could be 动词 verb, could be 名词 noun. 天气变化很大 but here is just verb. Or the weather is verb. So it changes 很大 but and very big. I think it also could be verb noun here. No. 天气的变化。天气I think it's verb here. 天气变化很大。The weather changes a lot. And last one for today. 杯子 cup or glass. 杯子 I take a cup. 我拿一个杯子。我拿一个杯子。I take or bring or just take maybe. I take 我拿一个杯子 one cup 一个杯子 a cup I take a cup 一个杯子。We remember this 杯 also measure word for example 一杯可乐 one cup of cola better one cup of cola or for example 一杯牛奶 one cup of milk. But here is 杯子 as word by itself, not 两次 measure word 两次。The cup is in the middle of the table. 杯子在桌子中间。杯子 the cup 在桌子 on the table, but this 在 work together with 中间 between or in the middle of something. The cup is in the middle of the table. 杯子在桌子中间。在桌子中间。Next one and last one. The color of this cup is very beautiful. 这个杯子颜色很美，很美。这个 this is or this one 杯子 cup 杯子颜色 color it could be 杯子的颜色 or just 杯子颜色。The color 很美，很美 very beautiful 美 it's beautiful 很美。这个杯子颜色很美。The color of this cup is very beautiful. Let's repeat what we learned today. 衣服 clothes 衣服。颜色 color. 房子 house apartment. 天气 weather. 杯子 杯子 cup or glass. And let's learn one new idiom for today. No, before we learn this one, this one, 井井有条. Today we learn this one. It's pretty simple for real. 自言自语. 自 is self to myself to self. 言 speak, 语 language. So talk to oneself. 自言自语. He talks to himself alone. 他一个人自言自语. He talks to himself. So it's pretty simple. Let's just check quickly. No, do it. This one is okay. 他一个人自言自语. For example, my grandfather likes talking to himself when he's alone. 我爷爷一个人的时候喜欢自言自语. So it's pretty okay. 自言自语. It's very interesting. 自言自语. So that's all for today, and see you tomorrow.